Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Jacqueline, and on this channel I do budget related videos. If those sort of videos interest you, do please consider subscribing. Alright you guys, so in today's video we're going to be doing my cash stuffing for my second paycheck in October. Alright, so before we start counting this, I do want to take a drink of my sparkling water. I just opened this up in my last video. It is the green apple from Trader Joe's, so I'm going to go ahead and take a sip. That is so good. Like I mentioned in my last video, that tastes like when you bite into a green apple, the juices. Just picture that in carbonation. It is so delicious. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and count my cash today. Let's see. Let's see if I can do this without my calculator. If I mess up, then I'll bring it out. Okay, so we have Okay, so we have 51, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 370, 380, 90, 410, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 500, and 10, 20, 30, 40, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 600, and 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. 660. Let me just double check if that's correct. Yes, that is correct. Okay, I got it on my first try. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up, and we're going to start with my revolving cash. We are going to start off with this binder here. This is my newest binder. I purchased this last month, and I hadn't switched out my envelopes, but we're going to be using this binder for a little bit. I think it's appropriate for the time of the year. I love this color orange, and I've always wanted a binder this color. Okay, so eating out is going to get 50. So we have 20, 30, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Spending is going to get 80. So we have 20, 40, 50, 65, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and 80. And then I have 100 rolled over from my last cash and stuffing. Compra is going to get 180. I'm surprised I didn't save any for compra. What's wrong with me? All right, I actually should have kept some money in here from my last cash and stuffing. So let me just bring some of that money back, because compra, which is groceries, is kind of getting up in price, you know, and I should have rolled over some money. So let's see. Okay, so I'm back. So I went ahead and pulled this money out of my saving challenges because I forgot to roll over some money. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I'm going to roll over $15 from my last unstuffing, and I'm going to stuff it today with 180. Let's just make sure this is 180. So that's 51, 20, 40, 50, 60, 75, 80. 85, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 195 going into the next week and a half because I get paid next Friday, which is in November. All right, so now let's go to gas. So gas, I was able to transfer or to roll over $15. We are cash stuffing this with 100 today. Okay, let's just double check that this is 100. So that's 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 85, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, and 10, 15. All right, so I have 115 for the next week and a half. And whatever I don't spend, then I'll just roll it over before my next paycheck. Okay, so household is going to get a 5 today. Household has 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 75, 85, 95, 96, 7, 8, 9, 100. I actually need to buy some stuff, which I should have gone today on my lunch break, but I didn't, so I'll just see if I can go this weekend. Now we're gonna cash stuff this binder. We're gonna start with my rent, future rent, and it's going to get 50. Future rent now has 1,000, 100, 200, 300. This money right here, this 1,300, is sitting in my Ally savings account collecting interest. So that's 400, 450, 475. So that's 1,475. Cell phone is going to get 25. Cell phone has 25. We're going to start off with my first sinking funds binder. We're going to start off with anniversary gifts, and these 2 envelopes right here represent the anniversaries that I am currently saving for my family members. So MWP is going to get a 5. So this one has 10. So MWP now has 100, 210, 15, 20, 25. So that's 225, and the goal for this is 300 by the end of this year. TAP is also getting a 5. We have 51, 5, 10, 15. So we have a total of 340 between both envelopes. Delight is going to get a 5. Delight now has 20, 35, 45, 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the next one is going to be this envelope here, and this is going to be for my fur baby, Dustin. I need to get an envelope made for him. This envelope is going to get $15. So that's 10, 15. I want to get divider envelopes or dividers to put inside of this envelope because he's going to have a few different categories. So I don't want to have an envelope for each category. So I'd rather just have dividers inside of one of these envelopes. So I have to see if I can make it. If not, I'll just purchase it. So we'll see. Okay, gifts is getting actually a 5 today. Gifts has 10, 15, 25, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $40. Home decor is getting a 5. We have 20, 40, 60, 75, 85, 91, 2, 3. Supplies is getting a 5. So we have 5, 10, 15, 21. Support a friend is also getting a 5. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12. And we're going to go to my high priority sinking funds. We're going to start off with car maintenance. Car maintenance is getting a 10 today. Car maintenance has a 500, 600, 700, 800, 950, and 70. 970 is in my Ally savings account. 80, 90, 596, and 97. So that's 997. Medical is getting a 10. Medical now has a 500, 600, 750, 70, 80, 90, 810, 21, and 22. So that's 822. Emergency funds is getting a 10. So now we have a 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. This money is sitting in my Ally savings account. So that's 950, 960, 975. Travel is also getting a 10. Travel now has 100, 200, 3, 4, 5, 620, 40, 50, 60. So that's 660. Savings is getting a 10. Savings now has 100, 200, 300, 410, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. So that's 429. 1, 2, 3 monthly expenses is getting a 10. So now we have 1,000, 2,000, 500, and 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. So that's $2,590. All right, so that is it for my envelopes. Now I'm going to cash stuff my box challenge with $60. This is the October, so we're going to cash stuff it with 60. So we have 20, 40, 60. Whoops. All right, you guys, so that completes my October. Can't believe how fast this went. All right, you guys, so if you've been following me for a while, you know I've been saying that when I reach 1,500 subscribers, I am going to do a giveaway. So we have reached that, and we are at the point of the giveaway. So if you made it this far and you want to join the giveaway, I am giving away a box set. Let me just show you which one I'm giving away. Here it is. This challenge is going to save you $2,000. So I'm just going to show it to you quickly. Here you have your January, your February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. And then also for the 2,000, it includes these 4 $100 bills or $100, whichever way you want to save it. But this is not an additional to the 2,000. This includes the 2,000. So yeah, so I've been literally cash stuffing this entire box all year. So it is really doable, even with low income. You just need to plan it out, and before you know it, you will have $2,000 saved. So if you do want to enter this giveaway, go ahead and leave hashtag that's on the screen right here. I'm not going to voice it, so just leave the hashtag that I have here and leave it with a pink heart. That's it. And please, please, please make sure that you are publicly subscribed, because I will be checking, and if you're not publicly subscribed, unfortunately I won't be able to enter you. I would have to just spin the wheel or however I do it and just pick another winner. Okay, so as far as how long this giveaway is going to run. I'm not sure when I'm uploading this video exactly. So what I will do is I will put in the comments or in the description box the date range between when it will start, which was the date is the day I post this, and then I'm gonna do it. I'll probably do it for like a week, and then just maybe do a community post or something like that, or just do it in a video. It depends on what I got going on at that time. But just don't forget to leave the hashtag that I put on the screen prior, and just make sure you're publicly subscribed. And leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. You guys have an amazing morning, day, or night whenever you're watching this. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.